Do you want to know how you can delete the Google Gemini app's activity on your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your Google Gemini app's activity on your phone. Go ahead and open Google Gemini, which is on your phone. Tap on your profile and go to Gemini app's activity. You can see that it will lead you to this page. Now you can delete your activity as you can click on this. So you can also click on delete and you can choose the delete activity, click last hour, last day, or any of these. So you can click on got it and you can see that your activity might be deleted. To delete it directly, click on delete activity older than 18 months. You can also click on the months difference. There are 3, 18 and 36. So you can see that you can click on auto delete or delete over here. So click next and you can click confirm and all of your delete activity will be deleted. So your preference has been changed over here. Click on delete, go to last day or last hour and you can see that your activity has been deleted. So to turn it on again or to delete it again, go to your settings, go to Gemini app's activity and you can see that you can choose the option of deleting it. So this is how you delete your Google Gemini app's activity. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.